Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display with the frame on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, undo the 5 screws securing the wireless pad. And then disconnect the battery connector and wireless pad connector. Now gently pry the wireless pad from the body. Next, remove the broken screen from the body. First, remove the speaker cover by undoing 5 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex and antenna plug from the charging port board and the logic board. Also, disconnect the LCD plug from the logic board. Next, remove the 5G antenna by undoing 2 screws. Next, undo 3 screws to remove the charging port board. Next, remove the vibrator motor. Next, remove the battery. Next, remove the logic board cover by undoing 4 screws. Verify the SIM tray is out. Next, disconnect and pull the front camera. Next, remove the logic board by disconnecting 3 plugs. Next, remove the stylus pen connector flex. Next, take out the power in flex with the bracket. Next, eject the stylus pen. Now, the only remaining part is a broken screen with the frame. Please note that the earpiece unit is still attached to the frame. Some replacement screens come with the earpiece pre-installed. But if yours doesn't, gently pry it off and transfer it to the new frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation more complex and time consuming, and durability may be a question. You'll also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame and installed components, whether it's original, refurbished, used, or aftermarket. This option is widely available and greatly simplifies the installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, place the logic board in the new screen frame and fasten the sensor flex. Also, insert the SIM tray. Next, place and secure the stylus sensor flex. Next, secure the front camera to the board. Next, secure the power in flex with the bracket. Next, place and secure the board cover by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the battery in the frame. Next, place and secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the charging port board by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the main flex from both ends and ensure the LCD plug is secured to the logic board. Next, secure the 5G antenna module by adding 2 screws and connecting the plugs. Next, place and secure the speaker cover by adding 5 screws. Finally, double check all plugs are securely fastened. Next, place and secure the wireless pad by adding 5 screws and the plug. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.